This is just as safe as being at.
Well, the shutdown would be devastating if we didn't get any help from the government.
As coronavirus cases topped 11 million in the U.S. and continue to soar here in New Jersey, new restrictions are being laid out in the Garden State. Business owners fearing a second shutdown could be on the horizon.
How many more clients would we possibly lose if we were shut down another 3 months? No, we're most certainly hoping that doesn't happen, but I think people were uneasy about coming back to the salons, but we've done everything humanly possible that was asked of us.
Just last week, Governor Murphy signed an executive order giving local governments the authority to implement separate restrictions in their counties and cities. Newark, Hoboken, and Paterson all mandating citywide curfews for businesses. But in Monmouth County, where about 200 new cases of COVID-19 are being reported daily, mandates stricter than the state are not likely.
Could I say never? I won't say never. Could I say likely? Unlikely.
Director Arnone says the aftermath of every decision needs to be considered.
And what I question now is, are we, with those areas that are pretty much doing the right thing, the actual sitting in restaurants, I go back to the data and statistics, we really don't have any that show attributed to these numbers. And, you know, when we see numbers going up, we also have to keep about size of counties.
As for gyms, one of the last to reopen in September at 25% capacity and strict regulations in place, the owner of Underground Fitness in Red Bank used this as a way to reinvent his business.
I take this time as a personal challenge for our business to see if we can operate with those kind of restrictions with so many obstacles nowadays. And this is a really good shakedown test, stress test, whatever you want to call it for us.
But uncertainty for the future remains.
It's going in a way that more and more restrictions will be rolled out if the numbers will maintain accelerating throughout the weeks, right, throughout the days. But again, just like I said before, we're going to have to play by ear, day by day, and based on what we can play, we got to play within those restrictions.
Governor Murphy has not cited a number that would result in a statewide shutdown, but said the state reserves the right to lock down again. In Monmouth County, Heather Fordham, New Jersey News Network.